Welcome to Genuine Core, guys. This is the fifth video in the JFoenix tutorial series. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the color picker, JFX Color Picker, in your program. This is a sample program skeleton with a hierarchy of panes, and what I want to do is I have to add JFX Color Picker. So I am adding JFX Color Picker, which is available in the JFoenix library, and this is it. It has a built-in shadow for the selector, and you can give a prompt text that is select color, and that's it. This will create an overlay just like date picker or time picker. It will create an overlay of selectable colors. Let's see how it looks like. So now I have a hierarchy of panels, and in that I have a color picker, and when I press on this I can select a wide variety of colors, and if I want to make a custom color I can click on this to make any color I want. It is actually incredible. It's looking just incredible. So the next thing I have to do is I want to color the panel or the pane, I mean the base pane, with the selected color. This can be done by set color or set background method, and this is the panel or the pane which I want to color, which is named as pane 1. Let us set it as pane, and this is a color picker. So I have to give a name, a variable name for the color picker. So that's it. And one more thing I have to do is when the color is selected by the user, we have to call a function and let that function be change color. So when the user presses on the button, this function change color will be called. Now I want to create a control skeleton, and this is a skeleton change color. So I'm just replacing the code with this. Fixing imports using Ctrl+Shift+I in NetBeans. So now I have a color picker that picks color, and when it picks the color, the function change color will be called. So what I want to do is I want to change the background color of the pane. The first thing we have to do is to set take the color selected color equal to color picker dot get value. So the get value function will return the selected color. I don't want java.awt. The color picker is returning scene.pane.color, so I want to import that. Now I have the color. The next thing I want to do is I want to set the background color. So pane.set background, it takes a background value. So I want to create a new background class, new background object with a background fill, new background fill. And the background fill class allows me to use a paint, which is nothing but a paint class that takes an argument value of selected color dot get string to string. And now we have associated the color picked by color picker to the pane, and let us see how the program works. And that's it. The default color is white, which can be changed using set value, and we can set the color. Yes, when we select the color, the background color, the pane color actually is changing. And there is a custom color option, which is wonderful actually, and we can select each color, press enter to get that color selected. So during all of these actions, the action performed function is called, and we which is action event is fired, which is accepted by the change color method, and that's what we're seeing. And one more thing we can do is we can set the color picker value to some default standard value, which is using set value method, color dot blue. The problem is if you set the color as color dot blue, then you have to initialize the paint's background color with the same, which is not necessary in this case, so I am not doing that. See, it's blue but the background is not blue, but when I click on this, the action performed, the change color is called. And one more thing I want to introduce to you is checkbox. JFX checkbox is very much like normal checkbox in the JavaFX, except that it provides some cool checked and unchecked color. So suppose the checked color be black, it's green, and unchecked color be red, and background. And what I want to do is, when the checkbox is checked, I want to color this color with the background, and if it is unselected, which is not checked, then I don't want to color the background pane, which can be done in a very simple way. All that we have to do is to give an identifier flag, let it be this flag, and I need the JFX text box in the code section, and I got it, imported it, and only one thing I have to do is to check if it is selected. If flag dot is selected, or is checked, I think is selected, then only I want to draw this, else do nothing. And let us see how the program works. In the first case, it is not checked or selected, so when I click on the color, the background color is not changing, and when I click on this, the color is green, because we said that in the code. And now if you change the color, we can change it. So that's it. That's how you use the color selector and checkbox in JFoenix. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more cool videos. Thank you.